Relixi is a B2B SaaS compliance automation platform focusing on security and privacy domain to perform automated, paperless compliance and assessments. Automated features includes reminders, alerts, AI-driven framework and controls mapping, and complete paperless audits. Companies can implement the tool for performing compliances to SOC 2, ISO 27001, PCI DSS, and more. Relixi is fully modular and unlimited use cases can be built on it, such as third-party risk management, GDPR, data protection, and cybersecurity. It's trusted by legal and compliance teams, InfoSec and IT departments, BFSI and fintech companies, as well as auditors and CXOs. What makes Relixi truly unique is that it's a DIY tool, like consulting in a box, giving you everything you need, entirely on your terms. It's built by compliance gurus, so you get expert guidance right at your fingertips. You eliminate where we set up core business departments like audit, HR, or finance, and assign SPOC users. These SPOCs take ownership of controls, risk assessments, and third-party relationships, forming the operational structure for everything that follows. Relixi comes preloaded with over 50 standard frameworks created by RiskPro, covering audits, controls, vendor profiling, and more. You can use these as is, mark favorites, or create your own custom frameworks in just a few clicks, or by uploading a spreadsheet. Each framework can then be assigned to departments or used in assessments with full version control and collaboration. Once a framework is ready, you can send assessments to internal teams or external vendors. This dashboard shows all sent assessments, their progress, and audit scores, giving you full visibility into compliance status. Let's open one of these to see how responses are captured, reviewed, and rated within the system. This is where the real work happens. Once an assessment is launched, each control is displayed in a clear, structured format. On the left, you see the control title and description. For each one, the auditee can upload evidence, respond to test procedures, and mark completion. If the auditor identifies a gap or non-compliance, it's marked here in the audit results. Red indicates a fail, green a pass, and gray means discussion is still ongoing. You can also flag a control for follow-up or escalate it to a separate audit panel if an additional audit is required. Every action, every edit, comment, or document upload is logged, so nothing is missed. This level of traceability is essential for audit integrity and regulatory proof. The view itself is flexible. You can switch between a flat table view or a full hierarchical breakdown based on your preference or reporting needs. And here's where it gets smarter. Using GenAI, you can instantly generate gap reports based on failed controls and even get recommended action plans tailored to your context. Whether you're handling IT controls, vendor due diligence, or financial audits, this screen gives you a real-time view of control performance and compliance posture. All of it structured, evidence-backed, and audit-ready. With one price and zero surprises. And most importantly, Relixi automates trust, helping you stay audit-ready always. Built by experts at RiskPro, trusted by teams, Relixi is your all-in-one compliance platform. Sign up now and take control of your compliances.